don't like to disturb the conversation. If you look through this fence near that forklift, I can see your yellow bike.
Really? Let's see what kind of spark plug we've got here. Looks all right. Does it kick over? Oh, that's stiff. That's weird. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you can see these scuff marks here, like honing marks. Yeah, interesting. Something weird going on with this. It's a pretty horrible sound. Sounds like it could be coming from the stator. Should we see if it gets spark? That would be cool. No, nothing. Just found that. So that won't do anything. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. That's why. Yeah, okay. So that just came loose. The whole stator. I mean, that's, in a way, it's good news because now it seems to kick over fine, which is good news. That looks good. I can't say the threads look all that amazing. Okay. All right. Okay. Then find the plug. Okay, it's in. Let's see. Yes. We've got spark. Good spark. Fantastic. Okay. Okay, let's see if this carb is seized. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Stuck a bit. Alright, so I'm going to take that off and take that home. Looks alright. Okay. Alright, let's get a compression test going. Right. I'm not sure how accurate this is going to be because obviously the carb is taken off, but generally what you do when you do a test is you open the throttle full blast, so that would be much the same as not having the carb on there. So let's see what we get out of this now that I'm satisfied the kick is not broken. Well. That's not too bad. 130, 140. Wow, okay. Good.
Oh wow, that's brand new. I didn't expect that. I mean, that is very unusual to be that clean. I mean, the bowl, it looks as if it was never used. Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's not right. Let's see what the manual says. Now it's going to run very lean, so that further you drop the pin, the richer it's going to run. So I'm going to try that. Right, let's assemble that.
So I can't find this anywhere. I've looked everywhere. So the next best thing is what I used to do in Africa on the farm, is to buy sheets of different thickness. This is an Amazon thing. It's quite cheap actually. So I just got to try and find a thickness that is going to work. So that one is going in there. Well, I think I must be the envy of all RM125 collectors who are desperate for parts. Well, believe me, I paid for these, but paying for them is one thing, and able to find these parts is another. I just got a break at work just to see what the hell I've just bought, because I haven't been in here yet. And some stuff is good, some stuff is a bit rough as I expected. That's okay. Some of these are going to be donor parts for plastic rewelds, and I found a cracked rim on that one, but the others look okay. And I've certainly got spare wheels, forks, this little chap here, that's broken off, so I hope I can get that re-sleeved. This one looks good, very good. So that's two heads, discs, hubs. Literally got a box full of these. Now I've only got, I need 3, and I've got 2 and a bit. In other words, I'm missing one of these sides here. And in there I've got about 3 radiators. Then I've got to go through this box of engine parts, and then this box, and then this box. So I'm like a kid in a candy store with all this stuff. I'm just hoping I've got enough for 3, because to be fair, I mean, the cost of them to buy them in the US was I think I paid $1,200 for all this stuff, which is I think is excellent. I mean, I bought it on the spot. Martin helped me actually arrange it, but it was the import that cost so much that it's forced my hand that I'm going to have to restore these if I'm going to get any money back for the work I've done. I really only want to keep one, and I keep the 250, and then I've got the 500 CR. So I've got the range of the 2-strokes, which I've never dreamed I'd get. So yeah, let's keep going. It looks like it's jammed. long that's not seized. Oh, that looks in better condition. Wow, didn't expect that to look so good. These, I believe, are 83s, I think. Important status, which I'm going to put in a nice box so they don't get damaged anymore. And all the nuts and bolts. Fantastic. This is the other, but I shouldn't even be starting this now, but I'm so keen to just see what I've got in the pile. Heat treatment this rubber no end of good, because if you try and squeeze this without this being softened, you're going to crack it, and you cannot find these for love nor money. So I'm just going to wash these now, and the purpose of washing them now is just to try and stop any corrosion from continuing. So there's enough damage done to them already. So we want to just try and halt that now. Tank number 3, also with a petcock. That's great. So that's what's come out of the box. There's almost a full boat. We're just missing a cowl for that side, but I'll go and look through the boxes. Maybe there's another one, but if there isn't, that's okay. We've got a spare tank. 1, 2. That's not come out too badly. That's one of the better ones. We'll just let it keep maneuvering it while we cool it, and then we'll hold its shape better. Okay, no filter on that. Yep, another filter, yes.